10 daily reminders to stick with habits for success. When it comes to building new habits for success, your biggest opponent is going to be your own mind. But what if you could prevent your brain from getting in the way of success before those obstacles are even fully formed? That's exactly what these daily reminders will do. If you remind yourself of these things every single day, your brain will have a much harder time. 1. Knowledge is power, and what you do with the knowledge is what makes you powerful. 2. You are as entitled to success as anyone else, and just because you have made past mistakes doesn't mean that you don't deserve the success that you want. 3. You are going to fail. You might as well get used to it. Human beings fail all the time, over and over, but it is what you do after you fail that separates the successful person from the permanent failure. 4. No one can keep you from success except for you. Just because other people try to stand in your way and convince you that you'll never be successful doesn't mean that you have to listen to them. 5. It's your fault. Don't blame other people for your past failures. Even if they were actually at fault, it doesn't do any good. The upside is, when you can take responsibility for your failures, you can also take responsibility for your successes. 6. Stop talking and do something. You can talk all you want about being successful, but until you actually take action, success will never come. 7. Your past mistakes were necessary. Everyone makes mistakes, and it is those very same mistakes that allow you to refine your technique and have success in the future. 8. Do your best and leave it at that. Just because you didn't do as well as you thought you could doesn't mean you failed. If you did your best, then you were successful. 9. Focus on where you are going and not where you have been. Dwell on what will happen in the future and forget about what happened in the past. 10. Push yourself beyond what you thought you could do. If you think you can run a mile, try running a mile and a quarter. If you think you can write 2,000 words a day on your novel, try to push for 2,200 words.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.